1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Miss O, it's going to take forever. Do you want to use a different tool like...
Well, I got centimeters. I learned about centimeters last week, and my centimeter is about as long as my pinky, and so I want to know how long that this bench is, and so I'm just going to measure it in centimeters.
But what about this? This has centimeters on it.
Oh, it does. It has 100 centimeters on it. So I could measure much quicker with this. What is this?
It's called my handy dandy meter stick.
A meter stick. Oh, yeah, that would be much quicker. So 1 meter, 2 meters. Oh, like 2.5 meters. Wow, thanks. That's much quicker. Oh, but my friends may not have meter sticks at home.
Oh.
But you know how we use our bodies. This is a centimeter. If you're at home and you don't have a meter stick, your wingspan from tip to tip is about a meter. So you could do the same thing and measure 1, 2, and a piece, okay? So use your wingspan to estimate measurement this week. If you have a meter stick, awesome. But remember, this is 1 meter or 100 centimeters. Very cool. Thank you for that. Y'all let me know if you have any questions.
Hey guys, so for the rest of lesson 4, what we're focusing on is the difference between centimeters and meters. Okay, so before I told you that if you don't have a ruler at home that has centimeters on it, you can always use the width of your pinky, and that is 1 centimeter. However, just like in that bench that I was measuring, sometimes things get pretty large, and with larger things, we need a larger tool to measure with. So we're going to use a meter stick, and a meter stick actually has 100 centimeters on it. But when we're measuring with meter sticks, we call it 1 meter. So I want you to look around your house and make a list of some things that you can measure. Some small things that you could measure with centimeters and some bigger things that you can measure with meter sticks. And again, if you're at home and you don't have a meter stick, just like in the previous video, you can use your what I call your wingspan. So if you stretch your arms out all the way from the tip of your finger to the tip of your finger, that's about a meter, give or take. So I made a list here of some different things around my house that I'm going to measure. And I just want to look at this list with you, and I want you to think about, what would you use? Would you use a centimeter to measure these with, or would you use a meter? So if I found a book is rather small. Would you use centimeters or meters? Well, I would use centimeters, okay? But I don't want you to just write centimeters. I want you to actually go measure a book. So, of course, I have my math book right here. So I'm going to use my centimeter measurement, which is my pinky, and I'm actually going to measure my book. And let's just say that it comes out to be, let's say, 30 centimeters. Then I'm going to write 30 centimeters. Okay? And then I'm going to go find a door at my house. Now, your list can be different things at your house. I don't really care what you measure, as long as you're measuring some things with centimeters and something with meters. Okay? So the door is a larger item. So using centimeters, a small measurement, is probably not the best idea. It's going to take me forever. Okay? So I would actually choose to use my meter stick for that. So I'll go and measure it. If I don't have a meter stick, I can use my wingspan. And I measure my door, and let's say it ends up being about 2 meters. Okay? So I want you to go around your house. I want you to just journal and make some measurements, take some measurements. And if you have any questions about it, you can give me a call. Okay, guys, good luck.